Hey everybody, watch this. What is the email of the current tenant at a particular address? Let's search that. And we've got our first response, second response, and boom, we've got the final answer. A quick check into the other Airtable base, and we seem to have the right answer. I'll show you how I got GPT to answer my question by teaching it how to search Airtable on its own. First, I created a property management base called General Property Tracker, GPT. It's for tracking properties, people, rental agreements, and rent payments. I've created a concatenate field called search field, which is just to make it easy for GPT to search. I then populated its base schema in my metadata base using a tiny little script and a make scenario. You can see the bases, tables, and fields along with their IDs and descriptions. I then concatenated these fields into a formula and rolled them into tables and the same fields in tables back into the base. It gives me the entire base schema in a single string. I think it uses less tokens than the dump of the entire metadata. Then I copied the base schema over to my test base. Here is another little field called search strategy. This is base specific and provides GPT knowledge and tips about how to go ahead with searching that particular base. When the search is triggered, it sends the question to make through a webhook. Make then gets some initial instructions followed by payload of base schema, tips, and the original question. It then sends it to GPT to devise a strategy to arrive at an answer. Now GPT creates a search formula and provides the correct base ID, table ID, and if needed field ID as well. This search formula, when sent to Airtable API, returns a list of records, which is then stored in the data store. All previous replies and all messages to ChatGPT are stored in data store as well. And for every new run of the repeater module, everything is sent back to GPT for analysis. After multiple searches, after iterating through it multiple times, when GPT determines that it has enough information to answer the original question, it spits out the answer along with a flag marked complete. I use that flag to terminate the execution. Let's try this with another question. Find me names and contact details of people which have rents overdue. Like there is no payment date on the rental amounts. It stuttered for a bit, but we have our response again. And this response cost me 53 cents. Wow, that's a bit on the expensive side. Anyways, thanks for watching.